Oh my God, we just enjoyed a great cold tub session. My man got a 9-inch Glizzy. Oh my gosh. What in the... Oh my God, we just enjoyed a great cold tub session. My man got a 9-inch Glizzy. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my God, we just enjoyed a great cold tub session. My man got a 9-inch Glizzy. Oh my gosh. What in the world?
He gonna throw it to Cools off the water as he's coming down the slide. Here he come. Ah, we need a new thrower. Yo, new thrower alert. Practice.
Let me see. Bro. What angle I'm supposed to be coming? Bruh.
You see him at the top.
Look, all you gotta do is this.
All you gotta do is this. You're supposed to catch it. Oh, we do it right now for you. Yeah, this thing's live. It moves and grooves.
We live, baby.
They not playing.
Oh.
Okay.
It's gonna sound weird, but just hold it in your hand for a second.
Oh. Ah, they're alive. Oh my goodness, they're alive. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, that's a big ass worm. Fish don't want this. They too picky eaters.
Yo, should I throw him back inside? No, should I eat him? Y'all want him? I do this, dog. I do this. Real fisherman. You see me? Fisherman, dog. Real McCoy. You see me? I do this.
Going rapping for a reason. Shit don't just happen. Shit happens
Only
for a
place
reason.
you can find some shit like this.
Like it or love it. I do my thing in the hood and get right with a budget. Ain't afraid.
He said he getting a strike with that ball.
Oh!
Ball got an icy in his hand. Then behind the back. He bowling like he got a 9 to 5. Jackson for the win. Oh, smoked it.
I told my teammates, fun fact of the day, your chance of being 7 feet is 1 in 2 million. To see 3 7-footers,
We got footers.
3 7-footers, and baby cold tubs, Glizzy is a magical place. Magic really do happen. Magical. This is better than the ending of Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, we're in Disney, bro.
We're in this. This is magical.
Where the unicorns at?
What are the
We
chances?
got 3 unicorns.
3.
We're in Disney, magic.
That's it.
Oh, a little too short. A little shorty.
Nice shot, Carrie.
Yo. All right. What was that? 15? 15 hits? Huh? Man, it's hot out here.
There you go.
Happy birthday to you.
Nice.
Happy birthday, dear
Oh yeah, Luke.
Steve-O.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Steve-O. Hey, hey.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
We have a race. Oh, thank you. Oh shit, NS is in front. NS is, Marcus is coming back. Marcus is coming back. Yeah, Marcus. Yeah, it's tight right now. It's tight. Yes, sir. Ah. No, it's NS. NS. NS got it. NS got it.
All right, so after, when I say go, then you guys go. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ennis, you went early again. Oh, snap.
Oh, crap! Oh, my hamstring!
Best I won. Hey, Smart, you good?
Hell no.
All right, let me see that swing now.
There he goes. I found him. I found him though.
You found him. Hit the ball now.
Food for the dizzy. We got noodles and shrimp. So I'm gonna take me some noodles and shrimp. Yum, yum, yum. Haha. Then we got, let's see what we got over here. Then we got, oh, noodles and shrimp. Since I touched it, when nobody said I ate them cold, I'm gonna take both. And then over here we have this right here. So get all three. And we're gonna have ourselves a great lunch. I'll see you guys in a minute. Deuce. Yeah. We got some French toast, bacon, sausage, and chips, and some scrambled eggs. And to top it off, we got some water and some apple juice. And we got Sunday service with kidney. All right. Hello, CJ.
Hello.
Hey, CJ. Hello, Jamal.
Salutations.
All right, NBA, we got a little Thanksgiving here. A little Thanksgiving, I mean. Break bread. I mean.
Yummy. We out here eating.
Yeah, man.
I don't know what they talking about. Bubble watch. Eating good over here in the bubble. Eating good over here in the bubble.
Bubble.
I'll see what's going on. Got the goal set up. Oh yeah, breakfast of a champion, baby. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Got the oatmeal. Put the granola in the oatmeal. Whoop, made that work. Shout out to my plug who got me the cereal. Lou Will. Yeah, man, I'm locked in.
I'm just taking a vid because I'm in a vibe right now. I got my little drink. Look at that. Look at that just look right there, you know what I mean? I'm just taking a vid because I'm in a vibe right now. I got my little drink. Look at that. Look at that just look right there, you know what I mean? The bubble, if y'all wondered, it's just me here. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Y'all niggas say happy birthday.
You 31, bro?
31, bro. Stop playing with me, bro.
That boy good. Yeah, good girl.